Good morning, everyone. It's Katrina from the Alluring Bead Boutique. Hope you guys are having a beautiful day. If you are currently not subscribed to my newsletter or to my blog, I just wanted to do a quick update and tell you guys what's been going on and what's coming. So, we've finished up this bracelet. A lot of it I had short videos here on YouTube for the bracelet, but the finishing touches, which were finishing the ends, I think, and a couple of other little embellishments I did on the blog. So you might want to head over there, and I'll throw some links up if you want to finish this beautiful little bracelet that we started last month. I've started a brand new series that continues on with building your own jewelry business and your website and your brand. And I've done the intro post. It's already available for you to read. It posted yesterday. And what that is going to entail, it will entail how to install your page builder, which I use Elementor, and we're going to start building our pages and getting some more of our plugins like Google Analytics and things like that loaded into the WordPress dashboard. So if you've been following along with that series and you're interested in building your own website and brand, you can head over there and check out those particular, there's two series now, the very first one, and then now I'm working on the second one. I also have another little mini series going on for some metal smithing and wire wrapping. So in the first half of the mini series, I walked everybody through. There's posts on how to make this brass oval, this copper oval. Now this was done using soldering and some basic wire metal forming techniques. And also I showed how to do this beautiful little bronze diamond. So I'm also got coming up, posting beginning this towards the end of this week, the tutorials on how to wrap these ovals with these gorgeous little gemstones and freshwater pearls. I have a tutorial for this one that has this gorgeous little extra wire embellishment in there. Also making your own ear wires to match. And then the final one will be how to wire wrap the actual gemstones around the outer edge of the frame. And if I have time, I'll show you guys how to make this little messy, cute little crystal drop at the end. But these are amazonite chips, and those are just little crystals there. All right, and then I'm also working on continuing on with the bead stitching handbook review of the basic stitches, and we're starting in with the netting. So I worked on the video today for some of the flat netting, and we're going to learn how to pick up and make our own designs when we want to make our own designs with flat netting, how you can actually determine what you need to pick up for your initial count, and how to make your turnarounds. All right, so I've got a lot of brand new jewelry listed online. I've been doing quite a bit of metal smithing. I've got a bunch I'm actually working on here. I've got a bunch more rings and stuff. I have 25% off coupon on all my jewelry right now on the shop site. If you use code SPOOKY25, get 25% off. That's a whopping savings on some beautiful handmade Christmas gifts if you're interested. All right, so that's it. Just wanted to quickly let you know where everything's at with the blog site, the shop, and let you get filled in on what's going on the BeadMet newsletter. If you haven't subscribed and you want to keep up with what's coming and what you can look forward to, make sure that you head over to my blog and use the form to add your email to my newsletter. All right, guys, that's it for today. Thanks for watching.